Day with the Doctors is an amazing program sponsored by the program office here at LSU Health Shreveport. So the goal of the program is to expose high school students to primary care, and what we do with Day with the Doctors is bring students from all over North and Central Louisiana to our medical center to help them learn more about becoming a physician and becoming a part of the healthcare community. We are a tertiary care center. We service rural and underserved areas in our region, and this program allows students the opportunity to learn more about our medical center and to learn about the different healthcare fields that we offer here in Shreveport. We are so fortunate here at the medical school to have just a myriad of activities for our students. Today they were able to see a birthing simulation. The students are able to learn how to suture. They are able to learn how to listen to heart sounds with our Harvey Heart Sound Simulator. They learn how to splint with persons from our orthopedic department. So it's a really hands-on experience for the students here, and they get exposed to lots of the different specialties in primary care here at the medical center. We want them to see what they can be. We want them to ask questions of our medical students and our physicians, and we want them to dream big.